sound of ch and sh. Ch means the sound of cha and sh means the sound of sha. A chair, a chair, a chair, chair. My chin, my, my, chin, chin, my chin. A cherry, a cherry, cherry. A cherry. Chips, chips, chips. A chick, a chick, a chick, chick, a chick. Cheese, cheese, cheese. My cheek, my, cheek, cheek, my cheek. Read the sh words. shop, shop. A sheep, a sheep. sheep, sheep. A sheep. Here's the difference between a sheep and a ship. Here double e, the sound that elongate the sounds sheep, a sheep, while when we pronounce a ship, a ship, ship, a ship. A shirt, a shirt, shirt, a shirt. My shoes, my, shoes, shoes. Here we have to note that while we pronounce like the ship and a sheep, both having the slight different pronunciation. In sheep, here is the double e, so we pronounce like sheep, and here in a ship, a ship, ship, we do not elongate the sound, just in a short pronunciation. A ship.